okay naman, pwede na rin. Ayan, malapit na. Malapit na ako mag-end. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat dyan. Sa lahat ng mga nag-support at sa lahat ng mga nakabidyo dyan. Sa lahat po na nakatambay. Thank you so much sa lahat ng guys. Oh, 2 hours. Ayan, isa na lang ang aking kakantay. Maraming salamat. Tama-tama matapos na pong ginawa nito. I've been my lover so many times, thought I know it's gone, but now you treated me so wrong. I can't take anymore, and it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. I'm never gonna fall in love. I mean it fall in love again. All those things I heard about you, I thought they were I love nila pala. But when I told you it's baby, I just broke down and cried.